Good morning. So today in the index markets, everything still looks very strong. The world is optimistic about the negotiations that are happening with the war. However, it seems like all this is fueled on hope of diplomacy, and there's not really been a solid proposed resolution yet. So just be mindful that even though things look strong right now, they may not look so strong in a few more weeks. So today with index markets, I'm really hesitant to take anything on the long side. What I will be looking for is if we do start to break down or show signs of weakness coming in on the index markets, I will look for short opportunities, and I'll be taking those most likely on the YM because it does look to be the weakest of the markets today. But I want to see more of a unified breakdown and not just the Dow breaking down in order for me to take shorts on that. And then when it comes to oil, you're going to stay away from that. That's too news driven right now and it's in a choppy area. Gold is too choppy for me today. Natural gas, this is one that's continued lower, and I'm glad I stuck to my rules and didn't trade this yesterday. It is interesting to see that yesterday morning price was trading like this. I was saying that something about it felt bullish, and I had this area that I was just watching today. It did end up working out beautifully for a bounce play. So this isn't one that I would have traded. It was just one that I was watching, but it's good to see that sticking to my rules ultimately paid off because I was just flat wrong about the bullishness in the market. So I just want to point out that there's a reason that I have rules in place, and there's a reason why I didn't want to trade natural gas, even though it felt, from my gut point of view, it felt bullish to me. And then copper. This is one that I want to stay away from, but this area up above here is likely to bring in sellers, so I will again attempt shorting there today. I don't feel good about it, but it meets my criteria. So if we do get back up a bit higher, there are two shorts in here that I'll be looking to take if they trigger. Then with the euro, this one looks very similar to the index markets right now, so I'm going to stay away from it. It's not quite as strong as the index markets are looking relatively, but just going to stay away from that one. And the yen is looking even more unclear to me. Bitcoin did prove to have a nice rally yesterday, and now it's back up at that area where we originally said that if we were going to sell Bitcoin, this was the area to do it. So now we've come back up here, and we'll just have to wait and see what happens. So just as a reminder, there is 8:30 news today, so be mindful of that. And this is a market that is going to reward those that are patient. So don't get sucked into the FOMO of missing out on these big rallies, because we want to survive the times that are unclear to get to the times that are easier. Good luck trading today.